Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. Today we are going to learn about the card view in the React Native. Custom card view, you can see. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the card view, and how we have done this we are going to learn in this video. So let's dive into the code level. Okay, so this is the card view component. So let me open that card view component and how I have created that one. Okay, so here we have a react from the react import from the React Native view text style sheet touch opacity and scroll view. Okay, after that we have a component card view. Okay, so here we have the full-fledged UI render. So here we have a view, here we have the touch opacity like the button. Okay, so this is basically the view part. Okay, the rest part is the design section. Okay, so here we have a container which flex justify content align items. Okay, then we have a card, then we have make the background color border radius shadow color shadow offset shadow opacity shadow radius elevation width. Okay, then we have a card header, so we have adjust the padding border top left radius and all. Okay, then we have a card title, then card content, then card button, and then our last card button text. By doing this you are able to get this card view in your React Native app. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.